Hey, what is up YouTube? Lando Tech here, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use your smartphone as a game controller on your Google TV. And all I ask in return is for you to like this video and subscribe so you can see more content like this. Start off by turning on developer mode. To do that, go to Settings, System, About, scroll down to Android TV OS build, and click that 7 times until it says you are now a developer. Click the back arrow. Scroll down to developer options. Then scroll down and enable USB debugging and hit OK. Now go back to the home screen. Pan over to the apps tab. Go to the search box. Search for Zank Remote. Click on it and click install. Now, grab your smartphone. Open your smartphone's Play Store, then search for Zank Remote. Then install it. Next, go over to your Google TV, but don't launch the Zank Remote app just yet, because before launching any apps that require developer mode access, it's always a good idea to give yourself an extra level of protection by using a VPN. I myself use NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and cheap. If you want to use it too, I have a discount link for it in my description below. Once you've logged into your VPN, go back to the home screen. Move over to the Zank Remote app and launch it. Click Next. Click Allow. Check the box to always allow. Then click Allow. Now go back to the home screen. Go to Settings. Click System, click Accessibility, scroll down to Zank Remote and turn it on. Then go back and open up the Zank Remote app. Now go over to your smartphone. Before launching the Zank Remote app, just make sure that you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your Google TV. Once you've launched the Zank app, tap Skip until you're brought to the home screen of the app. Tap the Home button within the Zank Remote app, and the app should find your Google TV. When it does, tap it to select it. To turn this into a gamepad, do the following. Tap the 9 dots at the top left-hand corner, then tap the remote control icon. Now, turn your phone into landscape mode, and your controls will rotate. You can now use this to control games that you've installed on your Google TV. If you want to learn how to use a physical gamepad with Google TV, then watch this video right here.